Hello, Andrew from Filteroo here today, and in this video I'm going to show you how to assemble your Filteroo Blue water filter. It's super simple and will only take about 10 minutes. You'll need a tea towel and a spanner. It doesn't matter if you have the Filteroo carbon block cartridge or the ULTRACERAM cartridge. The process is exactly the same. So the first step and the most important step is cleanliness. Wash your hands before handling the housing or the cartridges to take care to ensure that there's no contamination happening as you assemble the system. Once you've removed everything from the box, just have a look at everything, inspect it to make sure that everything has made the journey to your home successfully and they're in good working condition, ready to be assembled. If there are any breakages or missing parts, please contact us straight away so we can assist you with any replacements. To get started, install the fast flowing tap into the bottom tank and tighten the nut with a spanner. Sit the bottom tank on the stand. Now it's time to prime your carbon cartridge or rinse your ULTRACERAM cartridge. Check out our priming videos in our learning center. The next step is to install the cartridge. I'll show you how to install the carbon cartridge in this video. Remove the locking nut from the cartridge stem, leaving one sealing washer on the stem. If you have the ULTRACERAM cartridge, you'll come with two sealing washers. Just make sure there's one on the stem when you're putting it through and one underneath. Insert the cartridge stem through the hole in the top tank from the inside out. Then secure the cartridge by screwing the locking nut onto the cartridge stem on the underside of the top tank until tight. Do not over tighten. Put the top tank inside the bottom tank. Make sure the tap is in the off position. Fill the top tank with water and allow this water to filter through to the lower tank. It is recommended to drain the first 10 liters of filtered water to waste, as it may contain carbon fines. Open the tap and allow the water to empty out of the bottom tank into a bucket or container. You can use this water for your garden or plants. Now that you've installed and flushed your Filteroo 5.5-inch carbon cartridge, the next step is to quickly rinse the mineral pad for 5 to 10 seconds under a flowing tap, and then you can place the mineral pad in the base of the bottom of your Filteroo Blue. Refill your Filteroo Blue and place the lid and inner tank on top of the top tank and you're done. And that is how to assemble your Filteroo Blue. It is a very simple process and we're always here for you if you have any questions or need any help. Thank you, and remember to take a moment to love your water today.